Hey, Kara. Go backward, my love. Backward, my love. More, more, more. Backward, my sweetheart. Hey. We're not here to upset you, girl. Hoy, no one get upset. We are all friends here. Don't be upset, Lexi. Just smile. Just smile to Steve. Sir Steve is a little bit cheeky. Let's just enjoy the life. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, my love, Kiara, for bringing the ball back to me. All right. Kira is always excited to catch the ball. OMG. Is he my host? What? What he? Alexa is not he. She is. What? Did I see him? Hey. Hey, try to throw the ball higher. I'm sitting. I am shaking. Yes, a little bit. You're cheeky. Oh, that is higher. Oh, see? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters. Move backward, my love. Hey! Okay. I will throw it higher, more higher. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah! It's not correct. It's not correct. The ball is coming to me. Okay. Sorry. Sorry for shouting, Mrs. Steve and Miss Lexi and also Golden Roti. Sorry. Okay, I'll make it higher. I know. You stay there and wait the ball. OMG. Did I come back down? Okay, Kara, look. I will throw it higher. No, sorry, my house. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just kidding. Oops. Okay, you stay there. And okay. I'll throw it higher. Hello! It was so high. That is 7 meters. And Kiara didn't catch because the ball is not it's not near from here. The ball is what is that? The water is on the OMG, the water is on the ball. It's in the ball. It's open. Wait. OMG, what is that here? Bloody hell. There's a black. I saw it. Okay. OMG. Oh my G, it's already dark here. Probably got a split. New record. What is new record? What? Are you recording?